How to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok? Well, to fix the maximum number of attempts reached error on TikTok, immediately stop trying to log in. So if you're trying to log in again and again with error, then what you want to do is you want to proceed and stop and halt the login session. What you want to do is you want to force close the application and then stop trying to log in. Wait for a mandatory cooldown period of 30 minutes to 24 hours. Now first try, it'll be better off if you try after 30 minutes, or you can try after 1 hour. And if it still doesn't help, if you are still unable to log in and it says maximum number of attempts reached, then you'll have to wait for 24 hours and then only try logging in. During that period, you can try logging in another device, but most probably it is your account that is on cooldown, so you'll have to wait for the cooldown period. Disable any VPNs and ad blockers and clear cache and app data after 24 hours and then proceed to log in again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.